Hello, this is Scott Fugazi. Welcome to today's challenge. It's going to be read a number and print it to the terminal. Let's generate problem abstract. Before thinking that, we have some. Before we have created a printing a not number but printing a hello world to the terminal. Now we're going to print a number. Also, we have printed actually 42, but this is going to be maybe different than the others. We will see. Let's see. Remember, in C++, efficiency matters. Think about standard libraries, standard column set, or standard column map to handle unique elements or counts. Start by sketching out the logic before diving the code. Okay, read a single integer from standard input. Okay, first read and print it back. No transformation, read it, print it. The point is to introduce standard cin and how variables hold a value. Okay, now this is the new thing we're going to learn. Before we practiced standard C out. So this is how it's going to work. Is like we can do this, and here we can print a variable, or let's print the x variable here, for instance, and also we can pipe it to a new line, or just leave it there without. Let's do this at semicolon. So this is we are going to do opposite. If we use cin here, we need to reverse this symbol so that it will point to our variable now. So let's say this variable is y. So y is going to the cin, and cin will ask us this y value. So in the terminal we will see y, and we have to assign this to a value. So anything will be assigned to this box, into this box. So we have to, before you now thinking that what about the types, before we have to say if it is going to be integer y, if it is going to string, we have to do character or char, and like this. After that, it will know which type it is going to be, and it will assign in the terminal. So let's go back and continue. So this is going to be same 42. The number is not going to be changed. A variable in C++ is a named box that holds a value of a specific type. To create one, you write its type, then its name, then a semicolon. Like we said in discuss integer, and we are declaring a variable which is n. Now it is undefined. There is another variable, this is defined, which its value is integer 7. So int means an integer that fits in a machine world, usually 32 bits. You cannot put a string in an integer. The type is fixed when you declare the variable. That stricter checking is one of the things you came to the C++ for. So this is what it says. Let's go. Standard cin is the input mirror of standard cout. To read into a variable, use the greater operator and arrow pointing out of the stream into your variable. So this variable wait for input, then put the integer into n. White space is new lines, tabs separates one input from the text. So if the user types 42 and press enter, n becomes 42. Okay. Here we declared n as integer, and it's going to be read via standard cin. After that, when it is value is assigned, then we can print the variable and see. Here, let's go check this out quickly. Okay, let's press this, watch video. It's gonna work too. It's not going to work, we'll see. Let's go to here. All right, so we have declared that n here. Let's use our library and cin. Let's ask for this, and after that we can print this and even add a new line to here. Okay. So to be able to see the difference, actually I'm going to copy this before and what's going to be, and after what is going to be. Let's run this. It's going to be changed, yes, but if you don't assign anything here, let's try again. I'm using a different assigned integer. Every time it's going to be changed because it's going to recompiled every time. So let me fix, maybe if I can, we can provide our input from here. Actually we can provide from here. Let's pretend that we provided our input here 0 09. Let's pretend that we provided our value here 42 and run again. If I do this, let's see if it's JavaScript. No. Okay, see you in the next lesson.